Mustang coupe. All right, here goes day 2. This is Sunday, guys. That was Thursday. You saw me last time in that series of 15 videos. I'm back again on Sunday because I had such a good time, and I'm going to show you a lot of different things. Sure, I'll pop by and show some Mustangs if I spot any new ones. Maybe I'll show some old ones, meaning Thursday. But I'm back at the show for a partial, small amount of time. Doesn't matter. Why am I telling you this? Anyway, enjoy the next series of the Philadelphia Auto Show at 2019. The viewers like to see background stuff, cool. So I very rarely edit this stuff out. And this is my first interview of the day. Is it 9 o'clock yet?
About that.
It's like, yeah, 9:05. Here we go, guys. Introducing, tell us about your company. You got to talk loud too.
I'm right from Imagine Audio. We're in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. Right across
Cherry Hill.
Yep, right across the street from the Cherry Hill Mall.
Cherry Hill's kind of high end. Go ahead.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah, but we do a lot of stuff here. We can build everything from build full cars.
Tell them what you're building. You restore full cars?
Yeah, we just.
Oh, it's a restoration on yours?
Yeah,
oh, I thought you just did audio. No?
No, we do everything. Complete audio, complete everything.
And what's the name of the company?
Imagine Audio in Cherry Hill, New Jersey.
And I assume you have a website?
We do. It's imagineaudio.com.
ImagineAudio.com, and again, there's the type because I'm a good editor and making it easy for you guys to find these guys. I'm gonna turn the camera around. He's gonna showcase some of his work. Let's check it out.
All right, so right here we have a 1948 Chevy 2-door convertible.
Wow, that's a pretty chocolate color.
It's actually root beer.
What, is root beer?
Yeah,
it's actually making me thirsty.
Absolutely.
Look at that. Did you guys do the paint?
We did not. Actually, a company down in Bel Air, Maryland, did the paint. The late Ron Harrington.
Ron Harrington?
Yep, he passed away.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It was already done. It was brought to us. We were asked to finish the task.
And finishing the task meant what?
So Mark, our owner, Mark Balzer, he's been doing this since 1990.
Okay.
Mark went ahead and designed every single spec in here you can see. So Mark designed, customized, and fabricated this whole entire car. Everything from dash, we got fiberglass, the steering wheel.
Wow.
2018 technology, all new upholstery, center console, cup holders, power.
But no, wait a minute. This is like a limo. What's he got the cup holders in the back for? Just chilling in the back of the convertible?
Gotta take care of your passengers, man.
Gotta take care of your passengers. This is an absolutely gorgeous restoration. It's just so detailed. It's amazing.
Hey, come on down here.
Oh, I like the yellow running lights inside the headlight. Isn't that cool? Oh, those custom, or are they? You could buy them aftermarket.
No, everything's custom.
Everything's custom. All right, so guys, I'm trying to get back a little bit because I'm behind the lines. Thanks to this gentleman here, and there she is. And she is it hydraulic? Is that why it's so low?
Airbags.
Airbags?
Yep. So you push a button, you can raise the car up.
Yeah. So she sits down. When you press a button, the airbags deflate, and then she sits down. Most of you guys know about that stuff. And here's a Nova. Let me jump in real quick. I was driving a Nova at 17 years old, just like this one. It wasn't as pretty, and hit a telephone pole and lived to talk about it, guys. So this has mixed memories for me. Tell us about this car.
So this car is owned by Dave. Dave brought us the car.